Hello.
Hello, hi. Am I
Um.
visible properly or it's like tilted?
Oh, yeah. It's okay.
Okay, fine.
It's okay. Can we start now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Good evening. Hello. My name is Eka Nurselasari. You can call me Sela. I'm here to interview you to fulfill my English assignment for final exam. Now, I'm studying at College of Aerospace Technology in Diploma 3 Management Transportation programs. So what's your name and where do you come from?
So I'm Ramya, like I'm from India, Tamil Nadu, Madurai. Like particularly I'm visiting in Madurai, city named Madurai. So I'm doing my college second year in PhD Fashion Designing in Lastock College.
Oh, that's good. By the way, I'm from Jombang, East Java, Indonesia. Jombang is not an area located in the mountains or by the coast, just an ordinary countryside on the edge of town. The weather here also adjusts to the season. If rainy, every day will be cold. If summer season, it will be hot. There are also famous places, spot here like Goa Jepang. Goa Jepang is offers attractive natural scenery. The green hilly landscape is the main panorama. The fun thing is there are Instagrammable viewing spots and photo spots. How about the climate and tourist spots there? Can you tell me?
Yeah, so as you know, India is like diverse in everything, but particularly when it comes to Madurai, the place is where I live, it's like half of the year it's like very hot. Like we receive adequate rainfall. It's not like too less or too high also. And I have never seen snow in my place. It's like mostly it's like hot always. And it's like cold in some like the time from December to January it's like cold, and when it comes to the places that are like available to visit in our place, it's like our place is very famous for Meenakshi Amman temple. Many foreigners come here just to visit the temple. I think even you would have heard about the temple. It's like very famous for its architectural beauty. And the special thing, another special thing is like all these were built during the king's reign. Like when kings used to rule our country, all these sites were bought up. And then another one important place is like tourist spot is the Tirumal Naika Mahal. So the special feature about Mahal is like it is made of several pillars, almost up to 1,000 pillars. And the speciality of each pillar is like you need four of them to hold the hands together to cover one single pillar. So
Oh.
and the wooden carvings are like beautifully made with wood from single tree. So these are the special features about that. And when you said there are places uh, you can short through Instagram, like here there are places like a scenery. Like if you want to draw scenery, you can come here because we are rich in nature. Like we have lot of trees, falls, and like rivers. Like it's beautifully made that you can click it to sceneries and then you can convert it into painting.
Oh yeah, maybe someday I will go there with my family.
Yeah, sure. You're always welcome.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I want to tell you about typical food from my city. The special food in my city is called rujak cingur. Cingur is sliced beef mouth served with rice cake, vegetables, fruit, and the spicy level you want. But there are still many typical food here like rawon, pecel, soto, and others. Have you ever been trying Indonesian food?
Yeah, in our place, like if you're a person who loves to eat non-veg, like you should visit Madurai at least once in your lifetime because like Madurai is like famous for all those non-veg cuisines. Like we make it lot of spices in it. Like we had cardamom, black peppercorns. Like it is made very spicy, and when you see those dishes, it is like mouth watering. Like it is made like that. And our place is like the first place in India is this, where you can get all the varieties of goat parts cooked in cooked. So
Oh.
it's available here. And another specialty of our place is like you can get food in any time. Like even in midnight, 12 o'clock, you can get food. Like that,
Oh.
it's not available anywhere else.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Um, I also want to tell you about my hobby. Do you want to hear it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I like to listen to song and reading novels. I like listening to songs because I think listening songs can bring back my bad mood. Um, I also like listen to Korean song because I'm a K-popers too. For reading novels, I have favorite writer. He is Terelie. Terelie is the famous writer from Indonesia. I have more I have read more than 5 books because of his unique writing style, and the storyline is so interesting. How about your hobby? Would you tell me?
So yeah,
Yeah.
so when it comes to my hobby, like
Yeah.
we coincide. Like I love listening to music. I listen to a
Oh.
lot of yeah yeah like
Yeah,
I
yeah.
listen to a lot of melodious music. Like
Oh.
and my favorite music director is Yuvan Shankar Raja. You would not know, but let
Oh,
me
yeah,
tell
yeah.
you, like he's very famous over here. I love his music. And my another hobby is like painting. I love painting. Like I sit like even if I'm stressed up, I just sit and I paint randomly whatever I wish. And I am also like I have developed a lot from my childhood, and
Mm.
it helps me in my degree also. Actually, my hobbies helps me in my degree also.
Ah. Oh yeah. Do you have a pet?
No, like my parents are not interested in bringing up a pet, so they are
Oh.
not allowed to.
Oh yeah. I want to tell you about my cat. At
Yeah.
home, I have a cat because me and my family are cat lovers. Its name is Uti. Uti is so cute and adorable. Every morning, he's always wake me up. He got into my bed, sat beside me, and meowing to get me up. He's so cute. I love them. I love him so much, but he's already gone. I'm so sad.
Oh,
Yeah. Um. Okay, I think the interview is enough. Thank you for taking the time to be interviewed by me. I'm waiting you to come to Indonesia, and I will invite you to come to the famous places here.
yeah, like it was nice. Actually, it was nice for me too to interact with you. This is the first time I'm doing something like this with a foreigner, so I loved it. I welcome you to our place. At least come once and visit all these places and have nice food over here.
Okay, thank you, Ramya. Bye bye. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Bye
much.
bye. You have learned this.